Hello, my friends, welcome back. As we already know what is tree and all its terminology and objectives as well. So, it's time to understand more about types of tree. So, firstly, there are multiple trees, but we will focus only few of them. On the Wikipedia, you will be able to see there are n number of trees. But some of the tree is very important and used in day-to-day coding. So, we will focus only on those trees. So here we have tree, which is in general tree. Then we have binary tree and then we have binary search tree. So let's begin with our tree in general. Here we have an example of tree. So as we are able to see, there is no restriction on number of child at each node level. That means a node can have any number of children. But when we will talk about binary tree, at that time the things are changing. Here each node can have maximum 2 childs, not more than that. Here in binary tree, we are able to see the data is always sorted. So we will start filling up our data from the top and then we will fill up 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 like that. On suppose if here at once the data is filled and suppose I want to insert some data which will come between these. So once we will put my data here, then I will bubble it up. So like that it works. Once we know about the binary tree, in binary search tree, here each node can have maximum 2 child, same as binary tree. But here the concept is changing. Each node or every node to the left of the parent node is always less than the parent node. So 3 is always less than 8. 10 is greater than 8. So every node which is lying on the left side will be less and every node lying on the right side will be greater than the parent. So in this way it works. Once we know the type of tree, here we have some question for you. Is this the correct binary tree? So firstly, here we have 5 then 30. So that condition is satisfying. 5 is less than 30, that is perfect. Then we have 40 greater than 30, that is also perfect. But here 10 which is less than 40, that is perfect. But is it correct? Because 30 is holding 40 and 40 is holding 10. All the contents on the right hand side should be greater than 30. So if this 10 will be replaced by 33 or 32 anything, then it will be correct binary tree. But this is not a correct binary tree. Then we have something called as 2566. Is this a correct binary tree? So first thing to be noted, in the binary tree, we cannot have the repeated data. And here 6 and 6 are repeated again. So this is also not a correct binary tree. Once we understood what is the correct binary tree, it's time to sum up this video tutorial and let's meet in our next video tutorial where we will see the time complexity of a binary tree. And then we will start writing our own code for insertion, then search and then traversal. So let's meet in our next video tutorial. Thank you very much for now and please follow my complete video tutorial so that you will have less number of doubts. Thank you very much.